Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum Nazreen. Naltar Valley, ensconced within the majestic mountains of the Gilgit district in Pakistan, is home to several stunning lakes, two of which are particularly noteworthy. Satrangi Lake, also known as Rainbow Lake, and Feroza Lake, the Blue Lake. Satrangi Lake is situated at an elevation of around 9,924 feet above sea level. Satrangi Lake earns its name from the mesmerizing play of colors reflected on its surface. The lake is surrounded by lush green meadows and towering mountains. It captures the hearts of all who venture here. The vibrant hues of the lake are a result of the sunlight interacting with the minerals and aquatic life beneath its clear waters. Visitors to Satrangi Lake are treated to an otherworldly experience as the colors of the lake seemingly change with the angle of the sun, ranging from deep blues and greens to shimmering reds and oranges. The trek to Satrangi Lake is an adventure in itself, waving through dense pine forests and offering panoramic vistas of the surrounding valleys. The ambience and pristine beauty make Satrangi Lake a favorite among nature enthusiasts. And the second one is the Feroza Lake, also known as the Blue Lake, is another jewel in the crown of Naltar Valley, nestled at an elevation of approximately 10,528 feet above sea level. This lake is renowned for its crystal clear azure waters that reflect the azure sky and surrounding mountains. Surrounded by lush greenery and snow-capped peaks, Feroza Lake offers a serene and peaceful retreat for those seeking solace in nature. The journey to Feroza Lake involves traversing through Naltar Valley's pristine landscapes, passing by vibrant wildflowers and crossing glacial water streams. Both Satrangi Lake and Feroza Lake embody the untouched beauty of Naltar Valley, providing visitors with an opportunity to immerse themselves in the serenity of the Himalayan region. The trek to these lakes not only rewards adventurers with breathtaking views, but also allows them to connect with the unspoiled natural wonders that define this enchanting part of Pakistan.